Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for this everyday makeup look tutorial. This is a simple makeup look that can be worn every day to work, to run errands, or even to chill and stay at home and do nothing. Can you tell I'm enjoying this green smoothie that I made this morning before starting this makeup tutorial? I'm starting off with my brows with my Brow Ultra Slim from Maybelline. I'm just going to fill in all the sparse areas of my brows and try to keep them as natural looking as possible. And now I'm going to clean up my brows using this concealer that I got from Sephora. That she got from Judah wake wasele girls to a humble shy fat mga puss is a ready dash mga puss say Judah on a puss I'm surfing up vibe shift with the cold. And now I'm going to blend out this concealer using this concealer brush that I got from Boutique. Every time I pull up on a slap every time I pull up against a man. Please note that I've also put the concealer on my eyelids just to give them a nice base to prepare them for the eyeshadow. I'm using this Absolute Translucent Loose Powder from Yardley to set the concealer that I just put on my eyelids. I personally prefer to apply the loose powder with a brush and brush it off immediately rather than to use the sponge and bake method. I don't do that anymore. I'm now going to mix my two foundations together. I'm using the Double Wear Estee Lauder foundation as well as a foundation that I got from Sephora. The Sephora one was, I think, 2 shades darker than I am, and the Estee Lauder one is now, I think, a shade lighter. So when I mix them together, I think I get the perfect shade for my current skin tone. I am now going to blend out this foundation using a foundation blending brush that I bought from Dis-Chem last year sometime. It's a very nice brush. It blends so well, it blends flawlessly, and it blends seamlessly. I do like to, however, still go over the foundation once I'm done with the brush with a makeup sponge. Every time I pull up against a man, once a night, banging gag, singing card, second night, how am I? Every time I pull up on a slap, don't come on your boss, when's a night? 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 Good thing gonna get a luto, cushy vibe. When's a night? When's a night? When's a night? Hey, gotta stay blessed. Switching up flow, still kept the same friends. Stay woke, cause the devil don't rest. Before using the makeup sponge, please do not forget to dampen it first. I always say that you get your maximum blending ability when you make the sponge wet, as opposed to trying to blend out your foundation with a dry sponge. So now I'm going back in with my Sephora concealer. I'm now just going to conceal my under eyes and hide those dark circles, and then I will blend that out with a beauty sponge. Every time I'm the most high. Mama told me I would rather keep the peace, but I private show just for me, only thing that could keep me whole, go let's start. Shy stiff, got the pose of face. Once again, I am using a brush to apply the loose powder under my eyes to set the concealer. instead of using a makeup sponge, I'm just applying it lightly and patting it gently into my skin. I'm now applying my blush from MAC in the shade Gingerly. This is currently my favorite blush. I love to double it up as both a blush and a contour on days when I really don't feel like contouring. I'm now applying the very same blush on my eyelids and using it as eyeshadow. So basically, I've just used one product to do my blush, to do my contour, and to do my eyeshadow.
Every time I pull up on a slap, every time I pull up against a man, once a night, banging gag, singing cut, second night, how am I? Every time I pull up on a slap,
this is an old liquid liner that I bought at Clicks. It's from the brand Essence. I like to use it just to frame my eyes a bit and give them a bit of definition.
Now my numbers on the check up on us when they here we gotta check like bagels, bagels, humble boozing on my timber shoes. I am bagels, girl doing the facial, drilling gym with J-Lo. That she got from Jida Waki was LA girls. Do a humble shy fat mga puss. Does a ready dash mga puss. Say I'm Jida on a puss. I'm surfing up, vibe shift with the culture.
And I'm now going to apply this eyeliner in the shade Smoky Black that I got from Elizabeth Arden.
Every time I pull up against a man, once a night, banging gag, singing cut, second night, how am I? Every time I pull up on a slap, won't go on your boss, once a night. Oh, my God, kiss the meaning bows, don't forget the yeah. Every time I'm baby,
this is currently my favorite mascara from Essence. It's called the False Lashes Mascara. And I'm obviously just going to apply that on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. We are not using false lashes for this video because, as I said, it's a simple, everyday, roll out of bed and get out the door type of makeup tutorial.
Every time I pull up on a slap, every time I pull up against a man, once a night, banging gag, singing cut, second night, how am I? Every time I pull up on a slap, won't come on your boss, once a night, good thing gonna get a luto, cushy vibe, once a night, kalaboma whoop, bumaba, kalaboma whoop, bumaba, chicky chincha, kalaboma whoop.
I am now going to apply this Natural Glow Luminizer that I got from Sephora, and I'm going to use it to highlight.
Every time I pull up against a man, once a night, banging gag, singing cut, second night, how am I? Every time I pull up on a slap, to me back. Every time I pull up against a man, once a night, banging gag, singing cut, second night, how am I? Every time I pull up on a slap, won't come on your boss, once a night. Good thing gonna get a luto, cushy vibe, hey, gotta stay blessed. Switching up flow, still kept the same friends. Stay woke, cause the devil don't rest. Now my numbers on the check up on us when they here, we gotta check like bake.
I'm now going to use this brow gel from Essence to set my brows.
J-Lo, that she got from Jida Waki was LA girls. Do a humble shy fat mga puss. Does a ready dash mga puss. Say I'm Jida on a puss. I'm surfing up, vibe shift with the culture.
I'm now going back to that brow pencil that I used earlier on to fill in my brows. I'm now using it as a lip liner. I always like to use my brow pencil to line my lips. It's just a little hack that I picked up along the way. I'm now going to mix together two MAC lipsticks that I use the most. One is in the shade Pearl and the other one is in the shade Angel. And there you have it. We are now officially done. I'm not even gonna bother with setting spray. This is as simple as it gets. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like, comment and subscribe. Bye.